Let's look at conceptual fractions in this video. If I have 1/3, what exactly does that mean? What's that number on top mean? What's that number on bottom mean? If I was going to draw this out, if that's a candy bar, and I have 1/3 of a candy bar left, this bottom number is more important. That's where we start, and that tells us most of what we need to know here. It tells us that candy bar is split into 3 equal pieces. There are 3 sections of candy bar. This top one here tells us how many of those pieces are left. So that's what 1/3 would look like as a candy bar. There's 1 out of 3 pieces left over. So if I said 3/5, could you write and draw that out right now? Take a second and draw that out. Hopefully, you're making a candy bar. And then the first thing we do is consider that it's a 5 on the bottom, 5ths. That is the size of the pieces. That's what I call the size of the fraction family. We're dealing with 5ths. So we're going to draw 4 lines to divide that candy bar into 5 pieces. And notice I said 4 lines. When you're splitting something up, you'll always draw 1 less line than the number of pieces you're creating. So to create 5ths, we'll draw 4 lines. To create 1/3s in the first problem, we drew 2 lines. Okay? And then here, there are 3 of those 5 pieces left. So that's what 3/5 would look like, okay? That's what a fraction is telling us. Let's continue on.